I'm John from the local Toyota dealership, just here with St Albans Cricket Club today to help them get set for the cricket season that's coming.
I think Get Set Weekend is really important because from my experiences, cricket clubs in the summer are like the hub of the community there, where everyone comes to watch cricket but also to meet their friends, to hang out in the sun.
There we are. I really think it brings everybody together. That's probably the best thing, and just reminds them why they love cricket.
There's an awful lot of work to do pre-season, and the more we get done today, the less there is for me to do later on, like putting the side screens together.
Where are we going? To this one?
Yeah.
Easy. See that?
Hi team.
Good job, chaps.
I'll try and not get it on the floor.
That way.
Everyone's just so welcoming. It's just a really, really lovely community to be part of.
We've had some ECB funding to help transform the insides of the pavilion, so that's been lovely.
What I was going to see.
We've got a really good core group of people, which I mean I've grown up playing cricket with since I was 8 years old, and the fact that so many of them are still here and it's almost like a bit of a sort of small family is just brilliant.
Oh, it's a great shot. 4 runs.
It's a really good community feel, and it's just a nice chance to chat to your friends and catch up with those that you haven't seen all winter.
It's been so lovely. They've got a lovely community here, and everyone's really excited for the summer, and it's just great to see so many kids out here and everyone enjoy the cricket.